Ciao Tesla people, today I'm going to do a car wash, and what I wanted to show you is the way to do it by yourself. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is go into settings, and then you go to service, and then you go all the way here and it says car wash mode. So you press this and it says the car wash mode, close all windows, locks the charge port, and disable windshield wipers, entry mode, walkway door lock, and parking sensor chimes for automatic car washes with conveyor belt, the free roll option, shift to neutral, and and whatever. Car wash mode will exit if the vehicle speeds exceed 15 kilometers an hour. Okay, so let's enter the car wash mode. I'll get out from the car and we'll start the car wash. Okay, and so I just rinsed a bit the car, so I'm ready to put some soap on it. I'll do a time lapse, so you'll see how it goes. So I'm done washing the car. It wasn't that great because it's super hot here. It's only 28 degrees, but it feels like 34. The humidity it's incredible. Anyway, this is the car wash mode screen that you get. I'm done everything, so you can actually clean the screen. You can fold the mirror, and of course the automatic car wash. Okay, so before washing the car, just do go to service and then car wash mode, and then you can exit from here, and that's it, and you are done. Anyway, everything went well. Besides, it's freaking hot. It feels hot. I need to change the soap because the one I'm using is not making too much foam to clean the car. Maybe the front bumper is full of bugs. I removed most of them, but I need to do a better job. So I'm going to buy some better soap, I guess. The one that I used is not that great. And then I need to figure out some stuff on a pressure washer. There are some settings that I need to set. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and share the video, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.